So, here's the problem we're tackling today. A curious one indeed. Imagine this scenario. You have this Label.xml file on your phone at work containing some printable button labels for your phone. When you try to open it, MS Edge happily greets you instead of Word. Quite a quirky problem to have, right? Now let's delve into the solution. This Word document is a bit of a rebel. It was saved as a Word XML document using the good old save as option. And guess what? It likes to throw a little tantrum when you try to open it, renaming it to .docs or .odd. Nope, not buying it. But fear not, dear viewer. There's a workaround. Simply right-click and open it with Word and voila! Problem solved. In a nutshell, this whole situation boils down to a quirky file format dance between Word and good old XML. Just remember, when in doubt, right-click. And with that, it's time to wrap up this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Who knows, your comment might just be the one that cracks a smile on our faces. Cheers!